In this video we're going to show you how to do a factory reset on your PM45. Sometimes it's just easier to reset a printer than try and find a setting which is creating a problem for you. To do this, we simply go to the main menu, hit the Setup button, select Tools and select Restore Defaults. Here you have a selection of which settings you can restore. In this case we have the system settings and the network settings, and we simply press the OK button. A second screen ensures that you know what you're doing and that you're wanting to proceed with the reset. We say yes, and away we go. The reset takes a few minutes and the printer will come up in its default manner as if straight out of the carton. Once the reset has taken place, you'll see the Honeywell screen come back up onto the printer, and now we'll wait for the first prompts so you can set your printer up. Once the reset is completed, select the language that you wish, select the type of control that you want, and enable those settings. Once the Wizard Completed screen comes up, you can go OK and you're ready to rock and roll.